Hey YouTube. We have been undergoing some major renovation here at the old hacienda for like the last year. Everything up there is all spanking brand new. Down here, the only thing that we left was the exterior walls, and I had to move my hose bib. And I am a fan of a good hose bib. Maybe you can tell. So I finally got this all installed, but one of the things I need to do is put in my hose hanger. Now, what's a bucket got to do with a hose hanger? Stick around, I'll show you. All right, let's see if we can get this all put away before it gets dark. Now this hose has literally been to hell and back. We've been tapped more than once. And that one's leaking. We can fix that later. But a little hot water is actually laying up fairly respectable on the hanger. How about that? Some of y'all might be wondering why I need so many hoses. Well, in theory, I like to keep a 150 footer there, 50 footer here for quick work. You might be wondering what this little piece is right here. And that one, I don't know about you all, I don't like holding on to a bucket while I'm filling it. You just put your bucket on the ground. You can fill her up, come back when it's done. Works pretty good. And this one here, that's just an extra. So, if you want to plug anything else into it, rinse your hands off real quick. When it's cold like this, release the pressure. It works alright. So, that's one of my favorite things, using a bucket as a hose hanger. Y'all have a good one.